This is the workshop of Foshan Constant. This is Moistro's production line, which will be exported overseas. Vice General Manager Zhang of Constant and General Manager Timson of Moistro are guiding the work while making deep communication. With a history of more than 40 years, Foshan Constant is a professional manufacturer of hydraulic presses with excellent quality. Moistro has been engaged in cookware industry for more than 20 years and is familiar with the cookware production. For many years, Moistro have been developing scientific and rational solutions for cookware manufacturing for the customers. Foshan Constant supply hydraulic presses to Moistro and provide the right size to combine the hydraulic presses with intelligent robots. Most trimmers and conveyor belts to form a fully automatic production line. They fix the coordination ability of both companies and the spirit of a sincere cooperation. The strong alliance with excellent suppliers and complementary strength have enabled Moistro to grow and develop.